friends, it's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. In today's video, we are going to be doing some cleaning up of these spaces in my home, decluttering, and of course, decorating, my favorite part. And I'm starting off with decluttering my home. I have these two giant boxes. These were just boxes that I got from frames you'll see later in today's video. And I'm just putting in here pieces of decor that no longer are my favorite or my style, as well as clothes of my kiddos right now. Those were kind of the two focus points for today. I like to do a little bit each day, and I felt like I got a lot of items done today. I don't know what it was, but I was very inspired today. In fact, I was so inspired that I ended up shopping my own box to decorate this little mini entryway hutch again. Worked perfect. Of course that would happen, right? And we're gonna go ahead and brighten up this space. Our house can kind of get gloomy sometimes, so I love opening up the blinds. And as you can see, our blinds have been attacked. When people come to our home, whether that be FedEx, UPS, friends, family, or even ourselves, our puppy, he's not a puppy, but he looks like a puppy, he attacks the blinds. And so I haven't found a solution yet. The only thing that I found out is that the back Roman shades of our home, the motorized ones where there's no strings, he will not attack those. But he will at the entryway where you guys see that, he'll get his foot stuck in the string, which we need to fix. I haven't found a solution for that quite yet, but hopefully soon. Now we're just gonna clear up this space. This is a space that I use so much. I've been using it for using my sauna in. I've been doing lightweight workouts with my sister-in-law in here, and of course storing random things. And this room has served so many purposes throughout the years. It has been a baby area, it's been empty, it's been a play area, a family room, a storage room, and so we are in the works of figuring out a functional space for this area. I feel personally like I have a lot of lighting kits, and I have a lot of microphones and camera stands and camera gear, and so those are always out. And so I feel like this might be a great setup for that area. I don't know, but those things end up all over my house, unfortunately. And so I have to really work at it to keeping my house clutter-free with just even work sort of things as well. Now this is the candle I got probably 2 years ago at Home Goods. I still have it. It is so yummy. And I got this cute little black table from Amazon a few weeks ago. I thought it was so cute paired together, and it's that perfect small size table that I felt was really fitting for this space. Now this area is not staying as is like this, but I feel like it's put together, functional for the moment, and not an absolute disaster. Now my envision for this space to the left and right of the window is to have built-ins where there is beautiful places to style, but cabinets below, and a built-in bench where the window is. I think that would be adorable. We moved into this home before it was even finished, and this home plan really lacks cabinet space, storage space. I picked a 90s home plan, and I really love this particular plan because there was smaller rooms in all of the room spaces, but there was more rooms, if that makes sense. And I really liked that. Now, if I was to go back in time, of course, I feel like everybody would change something about their house, but we're working with what we got and we're DIYing what we can. And even 5.5 years later, we are still not accomplished, and that's okay. Now I'm putting away these really adorable mini chairs. I love those. We recently had guests over, and those are so great to be able to use. We actually have multiple coffee tables. So if you're ever looking for a kids table and can't find one, make sure you look at coffee tables, because those are always the perfect height for kiddos. And you can even find one that has a farmhouse style with most children tables. That's kind of hard to find at farmhouse table. So just a little hack for you there. Now we're gonna do some decorating. These are all pieces. The majority of them are from Cotton and Crete or Simply Styled Season. And I think that we have also farmhouse wares in here as well. Now this beautiful map, we've had this for years in here. And this is a stickable world map. And we've been able to pinpoint where we've visited as family and as well as individuals before my husband and I got married. And so it's a really cool map, and it's also very beneficial to our kids as they go along their homeschool journey. Now here we go with a little challenge. I have this beautiful wall, and we used these weatherwood walls from Weber Lumber, and we don't want to change this. We love it, but I do want to change what's on the wall. I have beautiful built-ins in my office space that's a smaller area that I thought this American flag would look perfect in, and then switch this area where I have my milk cow sign because it's a much larger sign and it's more of a rustic sign, and then replace those with these beautiful frames. These are by Frame It Easy, and I thought of doing black and white. There's 6 of them, black and white photos in here of our family. So many different options. Let me know what you guys think down below. So I think milk cow sign here, American flag in the office space, and then the 6 photos in the living room, because I don't know, I just feel like it matches the aesthetic very well. Now I want to take you guys into our master bedroom, and I'm going to share with you guys some new additions into our bedroom. And I would like to take a moment and thank Red Land Cotton for working with us on today's video. We are so grateful to be able to share them today. And you are truly seeing the raw and real in the Ambrose household today. And I could have made this picture perfect. Not picture perfect, but cleaned up. But I want you guys to know it's real life, and this is what it truly looked like. We have 2 king-size mattresses. The one on the floor to the far right is one that we easily have for us to move around. It's a mattress that's firmer, so it's easy to maneuver in and out of the room. Where our mattress, mine and my husband's on the bed where Jedi is not so easy to move. And we have this for when guests come in town that we can set up our kids in our bedroom, but also for when our kiddos are sick. And this is a game changer. We like to open up that window, get the kids fresh air, especially with my boy's asthma, and it's just a great routine. We actually had a setup very similar to this, not as much, but 5.5 years ago when we moved in, we had a hard time adjusting our kids to their bedrooms because we lived in a tiny home, and my daughter, myself, and my husband lived there, and we just always were together, so it was really hard. But that is why I'm so appreciative of Redland Cotton for sending us this beautiful bedding. And since the last time I shared our bed, we've added a new quilt, a new duvet cover, and so many different items. My girl actually got new sheets for her bed in her bedroom, and they are absolutely gorgeous. And I love how it has such a farmhouse style. It's really timeless, and it has that heirloom flair to it. It's so comfortable and cozy, and I absolutely love it. It's actually American manufactured, and it's made from a family farm in Alabama who specializes in manufacturing heirloom-inspired bedding, bath towels, and loungewear. I hope one day to be able to own some of their bath towels because I am obsessed with their emerald color bath towels. They're so beautiful. And I love knowing that it was grown on a family farm in the USA where everything has been traced. It's honest and sustainable as well. You all know that I love sharing small businesses. I love sharing family businesses too, especially since we own 2 businesses in our hometown as well. So I love to support and share the love with businesses like this. I highly recommend you check out Redland Cotton for yourself And check out their new hydrangea print set. They've got duvets, standard shams, pillowcases, you name it. It's absolutely stunning. I would love to be able to decorate this in a guest room if we had one, hopefully one day. And the duvet cover and set that I picked out is the patchwork one, just in case you're curious. I actually took this concept from one of their Instagram posts and was able to build the concept of my own bedding from that as inspiration. And so I think that scrolling on their Instagram is such a great idea to get inspired as well, and you can kind of figure out which patterns look best. I ended up going for a little bit more ticking stripe than their photo, and I just think it turned out absolutely beautiful in our bedroom. I really feel like I accomplished exactly what I was looking for, which was comfort, which was creating an oasis, which was creating that farmhouse style with that tad bit of that coastal element, which for me is that tint of blue in that ticking stripe. And I feel like I knocked it out of the ballpark. I am loving it. I'm obsessed. My husband's thrilled, and I think it looks really, really cute. As you can see on our photos there, we have hints of blue. I love it. I added all the perfect touches that I was looking for. It's so comfortable, and I'm so appreciative. I've actually had the same blankets on our bed since we lived in the tiny home. I've never upgraded our actual blankets, and so I'm so appreciative of Redland Cotton. And here's just a little glimpse into our bedroom. I am ending this video with getting our kiddos some yummy drinks, and I ended up making myself a yummy drink. I've been going back and forth with Liquid IV. I've been going back and forth with Cure. I think that's what it's called. I got it at our local chiropractor. He sells it there. It's not called Cure. Maybe it is. I think it's called Element, LMNT. And I've been trying all of the healthy electrolyte drinks and all those yummy drinks as I am on my health journey. And I just added a couple of raspberries to it just to make it fun and refreshing for summer. I'm gonna go enjoy a nice evening with my family. I encourage you to take some time to enjoy your family or even yourself with a nice drink to end your day too. I really hope you have a beautiful day, and comment below. Don't forget, tell me something that you're grateful for in your home. I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below, and if I don't get to you today, I hope I can in the next couple of days. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.